Here's where your course students are still getting confused and how to fix it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how a small shift in how you film your lessons can help students actually follow what you're doing and get better results without needing a total course overhaul. Hi, I'm Clara Koo, and my agency, Conquer the Digital Empire, helps course creators relaunch their programs in the next 30 days with great learning experiences. If your students are getting confused, it's not just their problem, it's a course design problem. If you're like most DIY course creators, you recorded with a single camera, probably your smartphone or a webcam, and just used one camera angle. And that was good enough at first. After all, you got some sales and a few solid testimonials. But you might have also gotten a couple messages like, I wasn't sure what to do there, or I wish I could see that part better. It's really easy to brush those comments off if you don't get a lot of them. But what about those students who stay silent, who quietly drop off before they finish your course because they were confused? Here's the thing. If you're teaching a very hands-on skill, like quilting, painting, or fitness exercises, you need to prioritize camera angles in your lessons. If your students can't clearly see what you're doing, they're not going to get the exact same result, even if how you explain it verbally is clear. For example, one of our clients is a quilting educator named Holly Ann. The first time she filmed her signature course, she used her iPhone mounted on a tripod. Holly Ann is an excellent teacher, but her visuals were limited by the fact that she didn't have the gear to film multiple camera angles at the same time, or the ability to zoom in really close to how her hands were positioned as she moved the fabric underneath her sewing machine. So students couldn't always see exactly what she did. When we helped her refilm, we used 3 camera angles simultaneously. Face to camera while she explained the lesson, an overhead angle so students could see her hands, tools, and fabric clearly, and an over-the-shoulder angle to show how things looked from the student's perspective, because that's ultimately what they're trying to copy. We edited those angles together to create a more complete, immersive experience inside the course. After the upgrade, students said it was so much easier to follow along and actually apply what she taught. And Holly Ann was even able to raise her course price because the learning experience now matched the quality of her teaching. So here's your move. Look at your content and ask, what camera angle can I add to make this clearer for my students? To make this easier for you, grab my camera angle cheat sheet. You'll know exactly how to position your camera and what affordable gear to use to get those key angles for your next recording. Drop the word angle below this video, and I'll send you the link to this free resource.